Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That's so nice.
So today is the day we make our anvil stand.
Yep, we're gonna finally have a way of being able to use the anvil.
Yep. So it's going to look very similar to our planter, but instead of a cube, we're making a hexagonal prism with a lid.
Right, and then we're gonna fill it with sand, and so that way it'll have quite a bit of mass to it.
Right. It's going to be over 200 pounds, if not 300 pounds.
Maybe 400, 500, who knows? Probably like 300 though.
Probably. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a montage, and then we'll see you when we're done.
See you soon.
Oh my goodness. That's so nice.
Whoa. Oh, that looks good.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. So does that part actually flaps up and comes up?
So latches open up. There's another one on this side here. Then inside it's filled with sand. So
Wow.
you're ready? Do a little experiment.
What's this experiment?
The experiment is see if you can move it.
Both of us together?
Let's do one at a time first. Hannah,
Just
Hannah,
move
go,
it where?
Hannah, go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
Try and do it. Go ahead, bud.
Yeah, both of us together.
I mean, it moved it a little. I don't think that really counts though.
Oh yeah, you did it.
Hey! Oh, that's
Some
cool.
slight spinning action.
Well, it's been about 3 weeks since we finished the Anvil Stand. We're
Yep.
very happy with it, but we wanted to wait until there was a beautiful day, which obviously today is.
Yep, it's been bitterly cold here for quite some time, which has really prevented us from using the garage all that much. But now that we have a good day, brought it out, get to show you, and then hopefully after we're done doing this outro, we're gonna put it through its paces.
Right. Yeah.
But already it seems like it's gonna work out well. It is a beast. It is really big, really heavy.
I can barely even budget with my body weight here.
Which, I mean, obviously that could be problematic because, you know, getting it in and out might be a little bit difficult. But really, I mean, total distance that we have to move it is probably only about 8 feet or so. You know, and worst comes to worst, we can get a dolly and move it that way.
Yeah.
But you know, as far as the whole point of it being a solid stand, that it is, right? Like, you know, that checkbox is thoroughly darkened in right there.
Yeah. And we did make it a little extra big, not on purpose. I kind of overestimated the size, but we can always make a new one if we find that this is just the wrong shape or size.
Right. The majority of what we're going to be doing with this, we think, is going to be across the surface. We're not really too worried about having to have some really big steep angles off the horn or off the sides, but we know that that's a possibility, and so we did you know, we did move the anvil and we mounted it towards the edge as much as we could, just so that way we could get a little bit of a steeper angle, you know, coming off with a piece. It's not perfect, it's not great, but I think for the next year or two, it should probably work out fine for us.
Yeah, and if nothing else, we learned a lot.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, thanks for watching. I think we're going to go and give it a try.
Yeah. Until next time.
Until then.